Welcome back. Today we'll see the CYBERPOWER SL750U UPS battery backup unboxing video. This has been brought from Best Buy recently, and it is one of the slimline battery backups available from CYBERPOWER, and it has got 5 battery backup ports, 3 surge ports. So total, including surge protection, it is 8 uh, ports or sockets available. And this one has a slot for USB cable where it can be connected to the devices. Total it says 355 minutes of runtime, but it depends on how many devices are attached to it. There are 2 USB ports as well for connecting while out of power from the battery backup. There is a 3-year warranty. And this fits well in closed spaces or when available space is minimum, unlike the flat models. Let's unbox it. It comes with the user guide, the cable which is long enough, 1.5 meters long, and it has got good packaging. USB cables are not provided, but the one which can be used from USB connection to either NAS or some other device which reads UPS, that is provided. It is wall mountable as well. This is the port for connecting USB to the device. And those 2 are for battery backup USB ports, and these 5 are for battery backup, and the other 3 are surge protection enabled. Is the USB cable. Model number is SL750U. And it needs to be charged for 8 hours before use, and then plug in the devices, and you are ready for battery backup. Thanks for watching.